Kuan here from Motion Beyond Subaru Setialam, and today I'm actually going to talk about the pin code access feature on the Subaru XV, Forester, and many other Subaru models out there. They do have this pin code access feature. Alright, so first of all I want to show you how the pin code access button looks like and where is it located. So this is the rear of the car. So the pin code access button is located right here. You can see that? Okay, so alright, so the pin code access feature, what it is used for. So basically when you want to go hiking, swimming, kayaking or anything, you don't want to bring your things, you don't want to bring your car key, you are afraid you misplace your car key. So what you do is you leave everything inside, you can lock the car manually, and then when you come back, you can unlock the car from the pin code access using the pin code access button. So right, the first thing you need to do is lock your car. Alright, so press the lock button and hold, and at the same time you press the pin code access button and hold it as well. Okay, okay, do you hear the beeping sound? You will hear a continuous beep. Okay, so when you hear the continuous beep, what you do is you press the logo, which is the unlock button on the key fob. Okay, you press that, the beeping will stop. Okay, now you key in the pin code access. Okay, so example is it's a 5-digit number and it's 1, you press once, 2, you press 2 times, 3, you press 3 times. So now I'm going to set it to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So it's 1, you'll hear a beep. 2, you'll hear a beep. 3, you'll hear a beep. 1, 2. Okay, it will continuously beep again, and then you repeat the code again one more time. Okay, alright. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. The car will unlock. Okay, now you have set the pin code for the first time. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to deactivate the key fob, how to manually lock your car, and later how to unlock your car again using the pin code access button. Alright, so you can come over here. Now first of all, open your car door and manually lock your car door. Okay, then right after that, make sure your key fob is within the car. Okay, press the most top button and the most bottom button, press and hold, and you will hear a long beep. Okay, now if you try to start the car or turn on the ignition, you'll see a message that shows access key disabled. Okay, now what you do is, for example, you're going to go for hiking. Okay, leave the key inside the car. For example, I'm just putting it here on top of the dashboard. Now you have to manually close your door. So for example, like this, pull the door handle, shut the door, and then release the handle. So now car is fully locked. How are you going to unlock it? Let me show you. Okay, so now let's say you are done with your activities, you have done hiking or swimming, and you want to come back to your car, you want to get your things, you want to dry up, you want to get your car keys. So how to unlock your car? Okay, let me show you. Come to your pin code access button here. You key in the pin code access like how you did earlier. So it's 1, you hear a beep. 2, 3, 1, 2. The car is unlocked. Okay, so now you have unlocked your car. You have to reactivate back your key fob. So you get your keys and you do what? You come here, you press the lock button again manually, lock all the doors, and then you make sure the key fob is within the car, press the most top button and the most bottom button and hold it. You'll hear a short beep. Okay, short beep. Now if you turn on the ignition, you will be able to start the car like normal. Okay, so there you go. This is how you use the pin code access on a Subaru. Alright, so please like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can do more videos like this explaining more features about Subaru. Thank you.